Bye.
Hey champ, welcome back to Bright Bites, where learning becomes fun and interesting. Ever heard of owning a tiny part of a big company? It's called a share, a small piece of a company.
They're small pieces of a company that people can actually own. Think of your favorite pizza place. Imagine if each slice gave you ownership of the place. Yep, that's the vibe.
Where do you get them?
In the stock market, think of it like the Amazon of companies. You browse, you buy.
When do people buy shares?
They buy when they think the company will grow, like making something new, opening more shops, or earning more money.
But why do people buy shares?
Because when the company does well, your piece of it can become more valuable. And heads up, if the company flops, your share can drop in value too. Risk is part of the deal.
So, who can buy shares?
Imagine owning part of a toy company you're obsessed with. If they win, you win too. If you could, what company would you invest in? Chocolate brands, game studios, robot labs? Drop your dream company in the comments. We want to hear what you'd flex on your investor profile.
That's it for today, champ. You just unlocked another money power-up. Stay tuned to learn more about how money really works. Bye-bye.